Good morning sunshine mga ka-vlogs! As you can see, nag-unbox po ako ng Lucene Eyewear. Ang ganda nga po ng salamin, kinilig agad ako sa kulay. At pagkasuot ko, bagay na bagay, lakas mga girl. Nag-change po siya ng color when exposed to a bright light. Photochromic lenses nga pala po ito. It darkens when exposed to light of sufficiently high frequency, most commonly ultraviolet radiation. Nagpabaka sakali lang naman na baka mabudol ko rin kayo. Basta itong main features niya: full protection, anti-blurry, anti-UV 400, photochromic lenses, relieve fatigue, at comfortable to wear. These glasses are suitable for indoor and outdoor, can filter most of the blue light and keep your eyes healthy. It can block 100% UVA and UVB radiation from sunlight. The lens will darken as the ambient light becomes brighter, more obvious in the sun. Ang cute niya din naman talaga pag nagbabago ng kulay, pag nagiging dark yung lenses. Ang cute pa rin pagtitigan sa sun. Cherries. Glasses can relieve eye fatigue, especially when using electronic devices, such as mobile phones, computers, TVs, iPad, etc. The glasses are only 19 grams, so you can't feel their weight when wearing them. Basta yun, super lightweight po siya. Very tamang-tama for all occasions. Yung style at design niya. Hindi po kayo magsisisi pag napasa kamay nyo ito. At for sure talagang iingatan nyo to. Very, very affordable din naman po ang price niya. Super worth it. Eto, itatry ko. Hello! Ito siya sa loob ng bahay. O, diba? Paimot-imot pa. Patay po yung ilaw sa loob ng bahay kaya maliwanag pa. Ayan, binuksan ko na. Tapos umimot-umot ulit. Feel na feel, te. Okay, let's try to go outside the house. At i-flex natin ito. Tingnan nyo kung gaano kabilis umeffect. Super bilis niyang mag-absorb ng light. Hindi mo na mararamdaman yung pagka-irita mo sa liwanag. Unti-unti na siyang mag-a-adjust para sa'yo. Lucene Photochromic Eyewear is a high-quality product that protects your eyes from UV rays and reduces glare, while also adjusting to changes in light conditions. With this technology, your eyewear will darken in bright sunlight and lighten in low-light settings. Made with durable materials and modern design, Lucene provides a comfortable fit and stylish look for everyday wear. Whether you're indoors or outdoors, Lucene Photochromic Eyewear gives you a clear vision with the added benefit of sun protection, making it the perfect choice for those who want both fashion and function in their eyewear. Ari nga't inirampa ko muna kasagsagan ng init nang makita niyo naman ang effectiveness. At ari, babalik ko na sa may-ari dahil kalahating taon na aring nasa akin. Picture. Yan yung isang pink frame, hindi ko na irampa. Ito yung gamit ko, yung inirampa ko. Opo, may filter po lahat ng pictures ko. Para makinis tayo. O siya, dito na lang. Thank you for watching.